Hello, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will be discussing the red planet or Mars. Space have always been an interesting subject everywhere, and it is a subject that we are passionate about, and we hope that you will find our discussion both informative and interesting. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all of our latest videos. Number 1. Mars history. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and is known for its reddish appearance, which is caused by iron oxide, rust, on its surface. The planet is named after the Roman god of war, Mars, due to its reddish appearance. In the 1990s and 2000s, a number of spacecraft were sent to Mars to study its atmosphere, surface, and potential for supporting life. Number 2. Mars formation. Mars is thought to have formed around 4.5 billion years ago, around the same time as the rest of the solar system. The process of planetary formation is thought to have begun with the collapse of a giant cloud of gas and dust in the early solar system. This collapse led to the formation of a disk of material around the young Sun, which eventually coalesced into planets. It is thought that Mars may have had a more Earth-like climate in the past, with a thicker atmosphere and the presence of liquid water on the surface. However, over time, the planet's atmosphere thinned, and the surface water is thought to have disappeared or been lost to space. Today, Mars is a rocky, desert-like planet with a thin atmosphere and evidence of past water on its surface. Number 3. Size and distance. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun in the solar system and is about half the size of Earth. It has a diameter of about 6,805 kilometers and is the second smallest planet in the solar system after Mercury. Mars is located an average of about 228 million kilometers from the Sun, which is about 1.5 times the distance of Earth from the Sun. The planet takes about 687 Earth days to orbit the Sun, which is about twice as long as it takes Earth to orbit the Sun. The average surface temperature on Mars is about -62 degrees Celsius, and the planet has a thin atmosphere that is not able to retain much heat. Number 4. Mars atmosphere. The atmosphere of Mars is thin and composed mostly of carbon dioxide, with trace amounts of other gases such as nitrogen, argon, and methane. The atmospheric pressure on the surface of Mars is about 100 times lower than on Earth, and the planet has no protective magnetic field, leaving it exposed to high levels of radiation from the Sun. The thin atmosphere of Mars makes it difficult for water to exist in liquid form on the surface. Scientists believe that Mars may have lost much of its atmosphere and surface water over time due to a variety of factors, including solar wind and meteor impacts. Number 5. Structure. Like Earth, Mars is a rocky planet with a layered structure. The planet has a solid surface made up of rocks, dust, and other materials, and it is surrounded by a thin atmosphere. At the core of Mars, there is a metallic core made up of iron and other elements. This core is thought to be about half the size of Earth's core and is surrounded by a mantle made up of silicate rock. The surface of Mars is characterized by a number of features, including mountains, valleys, plains, and impact craters. The planet has the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, which is about 3 times the size of Earth's largest volcano, Mauna Loa. Mars also has the longest canyon in the solar system, Valles Marineris, which stretches for more than 4,000 kilometers. The surface of Mars is also home to a number of geological features that suggest the presence of water in the planet's past. Number 6. Fate of Mars. Like all planets, Mars will eventually come to an end. However, the exact fate of Mars is not yet known and is the subject of ongoing scientific study. One possibility is that Mars will eventually become a dead planet, much like the Moon. Another possibility is that Mars could be impacted by a large celestial body, such as an asteroid or comet, which could destroy the planet or significantly alter its surface. It is also possible that Mars could be affected by the evolution of the Sun. As the Sun ages and grows in size, it is expected to become a red giant star, which could engulf Mars and other planets in the inner solar system. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.